guys, and I'm back again with another video, and today we have the release of this lovely top. So this short top is now on our shop. It's called the Jolly Jumper, and I've called it the Jolly Jumper because it's very jolly to make, it's jolly to wear, and you look jolly good in it. So yeah, I thought the name was quite apt. It's very, very comfortable. It really, really is. So yeah, as always, my patterns are very reasonably priced, and we're also making these as custom orders if you don't want to buy the pattern, or if you just don't have the time to make it, then we will be happy to make it for you. So yeah, come and check out, the link will be in the description below, and don't forget we also do gift cards. I know Mother's Day is just gone for those in America, and happy Mother's Day to all of you who celebrated. But yeah, we also do gift cards, so keep that in mind for any future purchases. Right, so moving on, I have one finished object, but I don't have it here to show you. So I finished another Chill Day jacket. Now this one was again in the dark grey and the gold with the hood and the pockets, but I've already sent it off to the customer, so I'd forgotten to make a video before I sent it, so unfortunately I don't have it to show you. But I am making another one for another customer. So this one is in beautiful spring colours. So it's like a light grey, light blue and a cream. So it's very light. My other ones were made in DK, this one's made in sport weight. I wanted to make it a bit more lighter for the weather. And also this one has a little bit of wool in it, so the light grey has some wool. So I'm using all ice yarns for this. All the yarns are sport weight. So this is cashmere gold, so there's 5% cashmere, 55% virgin wool and 40% acrylic. And then I'm using this Ice Yarns Diva, which is 100% acrylic. And this Ice Yarns Dora, which is also 100% acrylic. And all three of them, even though one's a different fibre, they do feel really nice together. I'm really amazed. Like, I figured that they would anyway, but feeling it all made up and just feels lovely. So I need to do a bit more length on this. I think I'll probably end on another grey repeat. So it's going to be 24 inches, the top to the bottom. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that will end on another grey repeat, which will actually make it really, really nice for, you know, getting the pattern right. If you've got OCD, it should be good for you. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to put in a hood and pockets on this. I need to speak to my customer first and see if that's what they want. Now, the last thing I have to show you is a surprise parcel that I got this week. Well, last week now, wasn't it? I can't remember which day it came, but I was sat out in the garden. Can't remember what I was doing, probably some crochet, you know me. And I saw this guy over the back garden gate going, "Hey, parcel for you." So I was like, "Ooh, for me, I've not ordered anything, thank you very much, I'll have that." So yeah, took it. I was like, squishing, didn't know what it was. I was like, I'm sure I've not ordered anything. So yeah, I opened it up and there was a lovely little card from Jan, of course. And yeah, she got me some yarn. So they're all Woolcraft Aran knitting. They're 400 grams and 100% acrylic. So we have one in this, it's like a really light stone colour, really, really pale beige. So yeah, we have one of those, then we have one of these. This one's actually my favourite. This one's like a light oatmeal, but it kind of seems a bit tonal. When you look right into it and in the twists, the colour is a bit deeper in some places, a bit lighter in others. But it's not really, really noticeable. It's just a nice blend, and I love it. I really love it. So that is definitely my favourite one for that reason. And then we have a light grey, which of course goes with absolutely everything, as do the other two colours. And then we have this burgundy maroon colour. So I can make some beautiful things with these. I can even make more of these jumpers. What? So then that is that. That's all I have to show you. So I hope you're all keeping safe and well. I hope you're all, well, the advice now isn't to stay home, is it? If you're in the UK, it's to stay alert. But yeah, I'm still sticking by the stay at home because here in Greater Manchester, our statistics haven't gone down the way some, elsewhere around the country. We're following a bit behind, so our mayor is saying that we've not quite passed the peak yet. So I'm sticking to the stay at home for now. I'm not sure if I'm going to send Justin back to school in June the 1st, because they are saying that they want primary schools to go back, but only nursery reception, year 1 and year 6. The other years aren't, so that means Jamal will be staying home and Dustin will be going back to school. But I was reading on the newspaper today that in France the schools have gone back, but they've chalked out squares for each kid to play in by themselves, and then another square is another 2 metres away, and then another square another 2 metres away, and each one's got a child inside. And it reminds me of, when you watch prison programmes and they go for the walk around the cage and it's a small cage. Makes me think of that. And then outside a building there was crosses along the outside of the school for where children will stand, like children were standing there, a teacher was wearing a mask and not allowed to come near the child. And it was very, very sad. There was lines, sticker lines on the floor in the classroom, so each child could not go past that line to get near another child. And I think for young children, I think that's more like a punishment than anything else. And I don't really want to send him back if school's not safe enough for that. Children have to be treated in that way. They can't get a hug off the teacher, they can't get a hug off their friends, they can't play with their friends, they can't share toys, they can't share pencils and crayons. If school is not safe enough for them to do the normal things like that, then they shouldn't be going back. I feel like if I send him back now with it being like that, then it's a punishment. And I don't want to do that. Kids this young, they understand there's a virus out there, they understand people are getting sick. But they won't understand that. My 6-year-old is not going to understand that. So, yeah. That's me. Anyway, back to what I was saying. I hope that you're all staying safe. I hope you're all staying inside. And, yeah, that is it. So I'm going to love you and leave you. Thank you for joining me once again. And happy crafting. Also, check out the jumper below, even if you don't go on to buy anything or whatever else. More statistics, that more people that come through the shop and look at the things is so much better for our analytics. So it would be great if you could support us in that way. It's just a click. Just a click to the site. Shouldn't take you more than 2 minutes. So thank you very much.